Special pairs of angles. Adjacent angles are two angles that are next to each other and have a common ray in between them. This means that they are in the same plane and they share no internal points. So in this diagram, we have angle ABC is adjacent to angle CBD. Well, how do you know? They have a common side, which is a ray BC, and you can either write it ray and then the letters BC, or you could write BC with an arrow on top. They also have a common vertex, point B. Are the angles adjacent or not adjacent? Explain your answer. On our first one, we have angle A here on top, and we have angle B down here on the bottom. Since angles A and B share a common vertex and common ray, they are considered to be adjacent. So yes, they share a common vertex and side. Now let's look at the one in the middle. Angle A is here and angle B is here. Are these two angles adjacent or not adjacent? These angles are not adjacent because they do not share a common side. Now let's look at the third one. Angle A is here and angle B is down here. Are these two angles adjacent? Well, the answer to this question is no, they are not adjacent because they do not share a common vertex. Let's say this point right here was point W and this point up here was U. The one side of angle B is WU, whereas for angle A it would be UW. They don't have the same common vertex where the angles come together. That starting point, in other words, is not the same. And here we have the solutions to these example problems that we just did, and they verify the results that we found. In the first diagram, angles A and B do share a common side and a common vertex, making them adjacent. In this middle one, angle A and B do not share a common side. They have two different sides in between, so they are not adjacent. And then in the last one, furthest to the right, they are again not adjacent because they do not share a common vertex.